Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you turn off sensitive content on your Twitter account. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You will have to simply open your settings on your Twitter, and from here you will have to tap on settings and sport, and from here you will have to tap on settings and privacy, and from here you will have to tap on privacy and safety, and after this tap on content you see. So guys, from here you can easily turn on or turn off this toggle to turn on or turn off sensitive content on your Twitter account. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can decide what you see on Twitter based on your preference, such as topics and interest. So guys, hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.